Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we're going to be looking at the FabFitFun mystery bundles for summer 2024. Every single season I always order 3 of their refill mystery bundles. They are different than the add-on mystery bundles. I've done those before and honestly you guys don't waste your time on them. Like, I feel like the add-on ones are not worth it at all. But FabFitFun has a reoccurring subscription which is called a refill, where they will send you your mystery bundle each season with your quarterly box. Those I feel like are much more worth it. So today I have with me 3 bundles and we're going to go ahead and open all of them up today and check them all out and see if they were worth it or not. So the bags are all different sizes and each of these bundles cost me $20. So it's $20 for this one, $20 for this mystery bag, and so on. You are allowed to receive 3 mystery bundles with each of your quarterly boxes, but they do cap out at that. So there is a limit of 3. I just go ahead and do the 3 because they tend to be worth it in my experience. So I have 3 mystery bundles with me today. If you guys would like to sign up to the FabFitFun subscription, I do have a link down below along with a coupon code. You can sign up and customize your entire summer box. And then after you become a member, you can get the mystery bundles after that. So we're going to do this first bundle here. This is the mid-size bundle of the 3. And I have mystery bag number 20, which is what's labeled here. So this is our summer mystery bag. And like I said, it was $20 for each of these. So the first item in this bag is from Bliss. These guys have sunscreens. This is their multi-peptide youth serum. Oh. So I've not tried this product before. This is a full-size product, 30 ml, 1 ounce, and it is designed to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, break down texture, and give you hydration back to your skin. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and it's also a clean beauty product. So I know Bliss for their sunscreens. I've tried that before, but I've never tried this particular product, but it looks decent enough. It says that it's filled with vitamin E and other antioxidants as well. Oh, look, you get a cute little glass dropper in here as well. And then down below will be the bottle. And then you can put this serum on and it will help with your fine lines and wrinkles. Well, if you have fine lines and wrinkles. I just made it sound like you definitely have fine lines. I don't know what you have. But, you know, if you have them, then you can use this. Honestly, I don't know how much this retails for. I'd have to look it up. But I feel like this probably just paid for it. Like, usually serums cost more than $20. So if not, at least $15 for it. So, I mean, hey, that's a great way to start it off. Next item in our bundle is from Chic and Tonic, which I believe is an in-house FabFitFun brand. These are reusable lunch bags. Oh, so they're a set of 3 bags. And like I said, they're reusable. You can throw them in the dishwasher, but they do seal up. So they're almost like Ziploc bags, but I will say they're very large. I mean, they're very large. Like, you see this whole panel here. I don't think that's going to cost that much money. I mean, honestly, maybe a few bucks, but it's good. Now, our last item. Wait a second. I remember this. Okay, let me get it out of here. This is that headband, I think, that was like $90. I'm not kidding you guys. So FabFitFun did, it was the advent calendar for 2023. I'm pretty sure, I'd have to go back and watch my video, but they had an advent calendar and in there was a headband that looked exactly like this, because I remember the stripes on the back. And then we looked at the price tag and it said like $89 for it. And I'm sitting there going, why is it $89? There was nothing precious about it. The materials were not expensive. It wasn't gold. I mean, there was nothing about it. So this one, if it's not this headband, it's made by the exact same brand, which tells me that it's probably going to be overpriced as well. That is the conclusion that I came to, is they were just overpriced. They're nice headbands, but I still to this day do not see that price tag in it. So this is what, oh, is there a tag? $85. See, I'm not crazy, you guys. I remember this. So this is the tag, and look, it says $85 right there. Like, I am not making this up. Oh my goodness, and I don't understand why. So this is what the headband looks like, and it's cute. It's a velvet fabric. I mean, I like it, but there's not even extra padding in here. Like, this feels like a normal headband that'll cut into your ears. But, I mean, it's cute. I do like it. But I don't know, you guys. Like, it's just $85 for a headband seems a bit ridiculous. Actually, it also seems very tight on my head. I'm going to leave this on for a second just to see, but it does. I feel my head, like, squishing right now. I feel like it's in a hanger or something. So that is everything in mystery bag number 20. Overall, I think it's good. I'm hoping this serum is really good and worth it because I feel like a headband and lunch bags are not that exciting, so I'm hoping this is the saving grace of that bag. Next bundle we're going to take a look at is mystery bag number 5. So this is the smallest bag of the 3 bundles that I received. So the first item that I have in here is from Lux and Willow. This is a travel case, and it's got several items in it for traveling, so you can refill these. It's basically a TSA approved case. So you've got all these empty bottles in here. It actually comes with like a little funnel as well. So that way you can pour your shampoo and conditioner into each of these. And then it's got a really pretty fabric on here. There is a pocket on the back. It's, you know, it's kind of cheap. It's really crinkly. It's nothing super great. Put it that way. I do think it's pretty. I do like the idea of it, but I do feel like this is something you could find at Target in like their beauty section, you know, and it'd be like 10 bucks. It's not super expensive. Okay, yeah, I'm getting a headache from this already. So again, I don't really understand the whole $85 thing on this, especially if it's going to give me a headache. Next up in mystery bag number 2, we have scrunchies. These are from Summer and Rose, and it is a 3-pack of scrunchies. And these are the colors. Again, they're cute. Don't get me wrong. I like the fabric. I do think they're cute. You could make this a very dressy look. I think it's nice for spring, but you know, scrunchies are what? A few bucks? Like, okay. So far, this one's not that great. Last item, I think, is Tula, which is probably the saving grace once again. So this is the Prime of Your Life Primer. This is their smoothing and firming primer. Full-size product that we have here. This is a cruelty-free brand. This primer says it's so good you could sleep in it. There's peptides, collagen, amino acids, vitamins, and hyaluronic acid inside of this primer. So not only will it hold your makeup in place, but it's giving nutrients back to your skin. It'll keep it hydrated. So that's why you could sleep in this, is the idea of them. Great brand. And honestly, this just paid for the entire bag. So I can definitely see a trend this season that they're giving us 1 hero product and then like 2 filler products. Last up, we're going to look at my largest mystery bundle. And this is bundle number 6 is what I have here. So this is our summer mystery bundle number 6. And this one, oh, we got lots of stuff going on in here. So this is our first item from Kitsch. These are funky. Recycled plastic claw clips. Oh. So there's a black and a tortoise color. These are cruelty-free and sustainable packaging, and it's all women-owned. Kitsch is a really great brand. I do feel like they care about your hair, so they make products with that in mind. So these are just clips, and they will hold quite a bit of hair in them. I like that they've got the teeth and that you've got room for all of your hair as well. This would be cute for like a bun. You know what I mean? Like do a tight army bun, and then you could like put this through. I do like this one a lot. Next up, I have from Aloe. This is the Luminizing Face Moisturizer, full-size product that we have here. Cruelty-free, and it's an ultra-effective, rich but lightweight moisturizer. There's vitamin C inside of this, and it will give you a brightening effect, but there's also aloe and avocado oil and other super ingredients. But there is no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no aluminum, no silicone, all vegan, all clean beauty. So I do love that. All right. So again, for $20, this probably just paid for it, would be my hunch, for a moisturizer. So This bag I actually like way more than the other ones so far. And last item is very big in mystery bundle number 6. This is from Short Stories, and it's a set of 3 canisters. Well, I like canisters. Oh, these are very basic. I thought they were going to be more like decorative, you know what I mean? I don't know. I just thought like artsy and flowers or something, but they're just glass canisters. And then they have stainless steel lids, but they are vacuum sealed. But they're way more modern and functional than what I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be more pretty. So these are okay. They're a little boring, but I do think they're functional. You could use these for a lot of different things. So I do like them. And again, Sydney, it's $20. Like, this is a good deal. I take it back. These are really good. They're not what I was expecting, but I do like them. I love that you get 3 in here too. So you got a small, a medium, and a large. Okay, that bundle was my favorite. I like that bundle the most. I like the other ones because there's skincare products in there that I will use. But you know, headband, lunch bags, clips, the travel case, scrunchies, they're all kind of like filler products. They're just but I don't think any of these are bad. And anymore, a $20 mystery box is a pretty cheap price point. So I do feel like this was good overall for all 3, but I definitely like the last one the best. So did you guys purchase any mystery bundles for the summer box? If so, comment down below. Let me know which ones you got and what was inside of your bags. I love hearing what everybody gets for their refills. But we can chit chat all about it. And again, if you would like to receive mystery bundles each quarter, you have to become a FabFitFun member first. So I do have that link and that code down below if you guys are interested. But if you guys enjoyed this video today, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below and give this video a like. I would greatly appreciate that, as it does help my channel out. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!